everyone, this is a video for 7-1A, 7-1B, and 7-4A. This week you're doing both the A and B for 7-1. So I'm just going to basically give you an overview of what you need to do. Basically, you're going to match the terms with their definitions. The glossary or the end of chapter definitions is a great place to use to do those two problems. On 7-4, basically you're given transactions and you need to figure out how it's going to affect. Is it going to affect the bank balance or is it going to affect the checkbook balance? So for example, on the first one, there's a service fee charged by the bank. The bank is already going to have it deducted, but you're not going to have it deducted out of your checkbook, so it's going to negatively affect your checkbook. The next one is an outstanding check. You should have already recorded those in your checkbook, so what is going to happen is it's going to negatively affect the bank balance. On number 3, there's an error in the checkbook. You recorded the check for $36 and it was actually for $28. That is going to increase your balance in your checkbook because you have essentially found money. The fourth one, an NSF check was deposited earlier, so that is actually going to, NSF is non-sufficient funds if you don't know that, which means you don't have the money, and so that is going to reduce your checkbook. It could be a customer wrote you a bad check, so you have to take that amount out of your checkbook because you no longer have that income coming in. The next one, you have a bank credit advising that a note was collected for us, so that is actually going to increase our balance in the checkbook. Number 6 is deposits in transit to the bank. You've already recorded the deposit in your checkbook, it just has not hit the bank yet. When it hits the bank, it's going to increase that balance. And then the final one, an error in checkbook. We recorded the check as $182 and it was actually $218. So that is going to negatively impact our checkbook balance. And that is all there is to the first 3 problems for the week. If you have any questions, let me know.